Welcome to Wildnote. I'm Chris Webster, and we're going to take an overview look at how the Wildnote platform is set up. Wildnote is comprised of a cloud-based web application that is accessible wherever you have an internet connection, plus iOS and Android mobile apps that work offline for field data collection. The web application is where you set up your company, your projects, and perform data management and reporting. When you sign into Wildnote on the web application, the project screen is the first thing you see. This is because Wildnote is a project-based system where all project survey forms, people, and data are stored together. Everything starts and ends with your projects, so everything you need to get to work is right here. On this screen, you'll see your active project cards. Click on the project name or the company name, and you go right to the project admin page. Click on the Go To menu in the upper right-hand corner of any project card to go straight to the sub-menus associated with Project Admin and Manage Data. Click on the big green New Project button, and you can start a new project. You will find the New Project button below existing company projects. Finally, when you're done with a project, you can clean up the screen by archiving your project. Your archived projects are located in the Archive Projects tab, located to the right of the Active Projects tab. Check the video library for other in-depth videos and for information on anything related to using Wildnote. Thank you.